hunger and rumbling. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Is this a sign to eat? The answer is yes and no. 2 or 3 hours after meal, our stomach actively moves to digest the food. When air or liquid moves in our stomach, it makes a rumbling sound. By the way, why do people think rumbling is a sign of hunger? The reason is simple. 2 or 3 hours after meal, most people feel a little hungry.
소리내서 따라해요 다 가져 소리내서 하겠어 나 소리내서 하겠어
Rumble, after meal, stomach, digest, air, liquid, rumbling sound. Rumble, after meal, stomach, digest, air, liquid, rumbling sound.